Hi, my name is Emily Murray. I am the owner of Pillar Physiotherapy. I am in Georgetown, Texas, so on the north side of Austin. When I started working with Clinical Marketer, I was at one patient a week, and it's kind of a funny setup for how it was set up. But I was basically making $270 a month. And since working with Clinical Marketer, I just had my biggest month at $22K in a month. So that was for the month of February. We'll still see what happens in March, but that was I was making $270 a month all the way up through November. And November is when things started to take off. So at that time, I was working full-time home health, had been working really hard to try to get my own things off the ground, but just was kind of caught in that spot where I had brought on some of the month-to-month expenses with trying to start my business. And so I had to work so many hours of home health to keep that afloat, and was left with just not very much time to be able to really work on my business. So started running ads with Clinical Marketer in November of 2021. Now I am 100% full-time with my business, increased from $270 a month to $9K a month in January, $22K a month in February, and we'll see what happens in March. But all things are looking really, really good. I'm more than full-time, and at this point I'm looking to hire to bring on somebody else onto my staff because I'm already full and need more clinicians to take on some patients. So my time with Clinical Marketer has been incredible. They absolutely delivered on what they said that they were going to do. I am not somebody that particularly likes to post to social media very often, and so I felt very just not prepared for setting up my own ad account. And so the whole process of getting that set up, having their guidance to troubleshoot everything. I mean, even in the first couple of weeks of working with them, the stuff that they took me through that I would have spent hours working on. And I just had somebody to walk through it with me and to give me the steps for what I needed to do. And then make sure that there weren't any problems and troubleshoot those problems with me, so I wasn't getting frustrated in the process. And then throughout the time working with Clinical Marketer, I've really felt like I've learned a lot as far as how to craft my own ads, and so that I'm not just reliant on the copy that they provided for me, but I feel ready to step into creating those things on my own. And so I've been so thankful for my time with them. I'm still, it still hasn't really sunk in that things changed that quickly, that I went from one a week to this week I have 40 on the schedule, which is too full. And so it's, I'm just in a phase right now of working a little extra, hustling hard to hopefully be able to expand into a bigger clinic soon and get some more space and get to keep expanding and, enjoying this business that I've created that's been created so much through the help of Clinical Marketer. So I can't express my gratitude towards them enough. It's been incredible. Thanks for listening to my story.